What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. We have 50% of the people rocking with me, watching the videos continuously throughout the week that have still not subscribed. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button. It is 100% free. I got an absolute banger for y'all in this video. They messed up, y'all. They messed up big time, and I'm about to show y'all why, and I'm about to show y'all how to profit from it. So join our private investment community on Facebook. First off, private stock market game on Facebook. We got over 6,100 active investors. I literally am about to open the doors right now to 1,000 people in the members request section. We got a lot of requests over there, but I'm about to let 1,000 of y'all in. So hurry up and get over there right now. At DecemberDeMarco on Twitter and Instagram as well. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. And if you haven't subscribed, take a moment real quick to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be bringing y'all content like this all of 2022, keeping y'all update on what's really going on in the market. So right now, we got an article. We've been talking about whales accumulating shibainu. Now we're going to talk about how they messed up and how we're going to make money from this. So 1.7 trillion SHIB grabbed by whales over the past week, y'all. That is over the past week. 1.7 trillion. Let's not take that lightly. Now, whales have been scooping up Ethereum. The top Ethereum whales, the top 100, the top 1,000 wallets have been scooping up Shiba Inu back to back. And we've seen whales like Light, Bomber, Blue, all collectively basically been scooping up Shiba Inu on the daily. Now, what they're doing is leaving a footprint right now. A lot of people notice that the price isn't going anywhere. Everybody keeps saying, what's going on? We hear about these large, massive buys, but we don't see the price going up. And let me show you why. They're about to try to pull a oopty-wop and make all this money and basically shake a lot of the people who are paper-handed or panic sellers out of their positions and take those gains that y'all could have potentially seen. Now, remember, this is not financial advice. You got to do your own research. But I found the article that basically goes into more of depth of what I'm talking about. So how to profit when the smart money leaves footprints. So right now, whales are leaving footprints all over Shiba Inu, and they're allowing us to be able to see it if you know what to look for. Now, I talked about this, inside of my group, inside of my courses, but this article, explains it. So let's go right into this real quick. Imagine you're sitting at a bar in Manhattan as the bartender's making your drink. You overhear a conversation from the table behind you. Two well-dressed men are talking. One looks familiar. He's a hedge fund manager you've seen on TV. You don't recognize the other guy, but from the sound of it, they work together. They're talking excitedly about one stock and how they bought $1 billion worth of it today. By the end of the week, they plan to buy several billion more. So what would you do if you overheard this? Right now, drop in the comment section. I'm gonna take a quick 3 seconds, to let y'all, drop a comment. What would you do if you overheard, you went somewhere, you seen Elon Musk or Jim Cramer or just somebody, that's followed by a lot of people in the space mention that they bought $1 billion worth. If you overheard Kathy Wood saying that her company just bought $1 billion worth and they planning to buy a few more billion by the end of the week, what would you do? So you be smart to buy that stock first thing the next morning. After all, hedge funds are what's known as smart money. They're among the world's smartest and most sophisticated investors. More important, they control a lot of money. When they concentrate billions on one stock, that stock will often shoot to the moon. Unfortunately, the chances of overhearing a conversation like this is slim to none, but there's a reliable way to know what stocks hedge funds are buying. Today, I'll show you a unique way to front run hedge funds. To be clear, I'm not talking about reading SEC filings like 13Fs. As you may know, big hedge funds are required to disclose the stocks they're buying and selling on a quarterly basis in 13Fs. So anyone can read these online. Many rookie traders try to use them to read the tea leaves on what hedge funds are buying. The problem is the time a 13F is released, the information in it is stale. It tells you what the hedge fund did in the last 3 months to profit from information. You need to know what the hedge funds are buying now. So you should pay Pay close attention to trading volume. The trading volume measures how many shares of a stock trade hands over a given period of time. For a trader like me, volume is easily the most important indicator after price, because it clues me in when hedge funds are quietly loading up on a stock. You see, hedge funds don't invest like you and I do. Remember, they often control billions of dollars. So when they are investing in a company, they won't buy millions of shares all at once. Instead, they'll scale into a stock over the weeks or months. So that's what we're seeing happening right now with shibainu. As some people sell their positions, getting exhausted from holding it because it's not moving like they wanted to, the whales are there to happily scoop up your positions. Why? Because they know what you don't know. We are about to go to the moon. That's what I believe. Now, that's because I'm very bullish on shibainu and I've done my due diligence in the project. I believe in the ecosystem. So, this is not financial advice, but this is for y'all that is rocking with the SHIB army and everybody that rock with me. So they do this for two reasons. This is why they do it secretly and don't let y'all know. So to prevent the price from spiking and to hide their actions from others who would front run them. That means to jump in front and do, buy in before they do. So hedge funds go to great lengths to hide their tracks, but they can't hide volume. Huge volume is a telltale sign that hedge funds and other big institutions are buying a stock. But remember, they want to be discreet. So you're not going to see 1,000% volume spike. You're not going to see that. They're going to sneak and do it in small increments. So instead, look for noticeable increases. We're talking 10 to 20 or even 50% above normal trading volume. This sort of rising volume often lets me know that someone big is buying the stock. And remember, these surges in trading volume are not a secret. Anyone can see them by pulling up a basic chart. This is what you learn how to identify inside of my technical analysis course. I teach this in a technical analysis course and my stock options trading course, as well as my crypto analysis course, because or crypto 101 course, because trading volume is very, very important. That is one of the key signals, like the article mentions, of when is a good time to pull that trigger, because you know that even though the price isn't moving, there's still a lot of activity actually happening underneath the surface. So CrowdStrike is one of the world's leading cybersecurity companies. It focuses on protecting files to save the world. So they're explaining how they had their eye on it for a while. In late 2019, they noticed an unusual uptick in volume. You can clearly see this in the chart, the vertical lines at the bottom. This told us that smart money was building a position in CrowdStrike. So we recommend the stock to our readers. January 6th, someone has been loading up on the company shares. Just 1 week later, we found out that someone was none other than hedge fund billionaire Stephen Cohen. Cohen is a billionaire. So basically, this person is a large investor right here. So this article just breaks down what's happening right now. A lot of people say, okay, people are buying, but we don't see the price going up. This is why. Let's take a look at this though. Let's take a look at that telltale sign that they talked about. Trading volume in the last 24 hours is up 60%. But the price is basically flat or trading sideways. It's basically up 1.2% on the day, but the trading volume is up 60%. That means somebody is scooping up all these shares that someone else is letting go right now, and we are likely about to go to the moon or see a major catalyst that will help us out. So check the description section of this video, get some free stocks, some free crypto. Reach out to me if you're interested in taking your investing to the next level to learn all this stuff, so you don't have to spend a year or two gathering all this information. You can get it in a couple different courses depending on what you want to learn: stock options, crypto 101, or technical analysis. You can get all this information ASAP, learn it within a week. Of course, you'll still have to practice and test out these different strategies that you'll learn, but you'll be able to consume the information within 1 week. So reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, if you'd like to get these courses. The book is in the description section of this video if you want to get the book. And that's all we got, and we are out.